Very good morning, all beloved students. Welcome back to our online class for today. So today is Friday, July 21st, 31st, 2020. Okay, so according to our schedule for today, we are going to learn from Speaking Tutor 2A and Writing Bright Book 2. Alright, everyone, so this is the first section. So we learn from Speaking Tutor 2A. Okay, students, now teacher would like you to open your book to page 112. Okay, 112 altogether. Then you will see the lessons that we are going to learn for today. Okay, so this is the new lesson, lesson 3. Okay, he was in the Paralympics 3 years ago. Okay, students, so every new lesson we also learned about the new vocabulary of phrases. Okay, but before we start learning about this, okay, wait, let teacher tell you. So in this video, you will learn about the vocabularies and phrases over here, and after that, you require to do the exercise on page 112. Okay, students, before we start learning about new lessons, let teacher move back. Review you something regarding to what we have learned so far in the previous lesson. Okay, students, so please open your book to page 104. No, 108, everyone. So open your book to page 108, then you will see what we're gonna review for now. Okay, students, so on page in the previous lesson we have learned about the comparative. Now we have learned similarities and differences. Okay, how to use the word to talk something are similar with each other, or how to use the word to talk about the things that are different from each other. Okay, so students, so now open your book to page 108 and you will see. Okay, you know that to say something is similar with each other, you have to use the word similarities. No, similar to. Okay, the same as, like, in the same way. Okay, so there are more than these words that you can use. Okay, to talk about something are different, are the same with each other. Sorry. Okay, for difference, you can use the word transition. In contrast, to say the first idea is different from the second idea, or the first thing is different from other things. You can also use however, unlike, on the other hand, right? All of these words that you can use to talk about some things are different from each other. Here are the transition that you can use to talk about the two things are the same with each other. Okay, you got this? Right, this is just for review, students. Okay, so now please look at to page 109 altogether, students. Okay, so look at the presentation over here. Okay, if you have book, open your book to page 109 and then you will see this presentation. Okay, so what you have to do over here, you have to read and listen to the presentation, then you have to write note about the words that they use to compare something the same or different, or the contrast words in here. Okay, that you can see. You have to for me, I would like you to circle the words, the transition word that that words used to say something the same with other things, and something the same with the difference, contrast with the other things. Okay, like for example, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Philip Craven. Okay, I'm a president. Blah blah. First, the Paralympics are only for disabled people, disabled athletes. Sorry, disabled athletes are people in wheelchair or with other physical problems. Non-disabled athletes cannot compete in the Paralympics. On the other hand, over here, so on the other hand is the phrase that used to to make contrast, okay, to make contrast from the first thing contrast with the other thing, okay, mean that this phrase used to make contrast. Got this? So you have to circle this phrase, okay. Anything else like the word in addition, okay, you to add the idea, okay, and in contrast also, right? Teacher would like you to, okay, to circle those transition words. Okay, students. So with this, you will do it in our classwork for today. So let's skip this. Okay, so now let's move back to our main topic for today. Okay, so we are going to learn about some vocabularies in lesson 3, and after that you require to do the exercise from 1 to 5 over here. Okay, so the first one have been done for you. To do this, you have to know exactly about the definition, know about the meanings of the vocabulary over here. Okay, so now let teacher read all of these vocabularies and phrases for you first, then repeat. Okay. After that, teacher will explain you about the definition all of this words or phrase. Okay, so we are in Unit 6, special event, special people, right? Special people. We talk about the diaspora people that they used to play in the they used to join in the Paralympic Games. Okay. All right. Lesson 3. He was in the Paralympics 2 years ago. Okay. We talk about one people. Vocabulary. Normally. Okay. Normally function as an adverb. Back and forth. Will record. Become. Between. Prosthetics. Okay. Prosthetic. Again. Prosthetic, lamb, comparisons, prosthetic, lamb, between, become, will record, back and forth, normally. Again, everyone repeat after me. Normally, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Again, back and forth. Will record. Become, between, prosthetic, lamb, again, prosthetic lamb, comparison, again, comparison. Okay, so normally you know already, right? Normal, from the word normal, but we add ly because this is adverb. Back and forth. When we use back and forth, it means that into or from. Mean we hit the ball into someone else, then someone will hit that ball back. Okay, so back and forth. Record. What does it mean? Record. Okay, record. We talk about the one event that are very popular. One event that is very popular. Okay. Become. Okay, you know already about the word become. It functions as a verb. Okay, students. So between its function as a preposition. So you know about this word already. No need to explain anymore. Next, prosthetic limb. Prosthetic limb. We talk about artificial body of the humans. Artificial body means the fake body, okay, of the human. Okay, students, next, comparison that function as a noun. You know already about a comparison. So now it's time to do exercise. Okay, so we have from 1 to 5. So you have to choose, put the correct words in the plans. Okay. So now open your book to page 112 together. Then you will see. Okay, so number 1 have been done for you. Let's teacher write with black marker. So let's move to number 2. Number 2, an athlete with a physical disability is not blah 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 allows to compete at the Olympic. So allow, it should be adverb. So over here adverb, okay, normally. Okay, normally allowed to compete at the Olympics. But some Paralympians, okay, athlete has tried to enter the Olympics. Number 3, this tennis match is really boring. Yes, the players are just hitting the ball, blah blah blah, for such a long time. Okay, you know tennis, we used to hit the ball, okay, back and forth. So back and forth. Okay, back and forth. Number 4, look at the time on the clock. She has beaten the previous blah 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 blah. Previous what? Okay, students. So which one? Previous very short or previous comparisons? Okay, so over here should be previous comparison. Okay, comparison. Next, number 5, the last one I want. So the last one, there are 2 words to complete. A, I want to show you my okay, so this one should be comparison. Comparison paper, okay. Comparison paper and previous very short. She had within the previous. Okay, good, correct. World record. Very short. Okay, number 5, compare and. Okay, compare what? The similarities and differences between, okay, wrestling and judo. Okay. So between. I think we lost something. Okay, number 4, there are 2. Between, okay. Between, okay. The previous very short, and she has also blah 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 the new Paralympics. Okay, medal mean she win something, so she become. Okay, she become. Okay, perfect. All right, everyone. So, do you have any question with this? So, do you answer the same to me or not? Okay, so with this answer is perfect, everyone. So, yeah. Now that's all for this, and thank you for watching. And if you have any question, just leave your question below this video. Okay, so teacher, hope to see you guys on the second session.